If your credit report feels like a foreign language, this video is for you. If you've ever sat across from a lender with your heart beating fast, feeling embarrassed about your credit, I want you to know something. You're not alone, and today we're going to fix that feeling. Whether you're renting, trying to buy for the first time, over 50 and tired of landlords making you feel unstable, or a seller who feels stuck because of credit, this video will finally give you clarity. Hey family, I'm Uncle John, your real estate and credit education guide here in New Jersey. I help renters, first-time buyers, long-time renters over 50, and families who feel boxed out understand credit and home ownership without shame. I've seen too many good people get blocked from renting or buying simply because nobody explained the basics. Credit isn't magic. It's a system. And today, I'm breaking it down step by step. Your credit report is a story, not a sentence. Most people focus only on the score, but the score is just the summary. The report is the actual story, the chapters, the pages, the details. It's like a driving record. The score is the number at the top, but the report shows every good year and every mistake. Once you understand the story, you can start changing the next chapters. Let's walk through this together. First, how to get your real, free credit report. Go to annualcreditreport.gov, the official site, not the scammy ones with $1 trials and surprise charges. You can pull Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion for free throughout the year. Avoid any place asking for your credit card unless you want a paid monitoring service. Next, check your personal information. Make sure your name is spelled correctly, addresses look familiar, and employers make sense. Wrong or unfamiliar info can signal mixed files, identity errors, or even early signs of fraud. If you see an address from a place you've never lived, that's a red flag worth checking. Now the heart of the report, your accounts, also called tradelines. There are two types, revolving accounts, credit cards, and installment accounts, loans. Each trade line shows your status, current, late, charged off, or in collections, your balance, credit limit, and payment history month by month. For example, if your card has a $1,000 limit and you owe $800, that 80% utilization will appear here. Now let's spot the red flags. These include late payments, collections, charge-offs, and cards near their limits. For renters and buyers, the biggest issues are recent late payments, housing-related collections, and high credit card utilization. A red flag doesn't mean defeat. It simply shows you where the work is. Next is inquiries and public records. Hard inquiries happen when you apply for credit and may affect your score for about 12 months. Soft inquiries, like checking your own credit, don't affect your score at all. If you see bankruptcies or judgments, don't panic. They are part of the story, not the whole book. Now create your snapshot page, your roadmap. Write down total open accounts, closed accounts, negative items, your average utilization, and any recent late payments. This snapshot becomes the foundation of your comeback and connects directly to my 7-step credit comeback playbook. Most people make the same mistakes. Panicking about every line on the report, ignoring obvious errors, believing collections mean the end, thinking scores never change, or avoiding writing anything down. But information is power. Once you understand your report calmly, everything changes. You're already ahead of most people because you're learning this. Today was about understanding. The next step is building a simple plan you can actually follow. That's why I created the Credit Comeback Playbook, a free, calm, no-shame guide showing you how to fix errors the right way, lower utilization step by step, build positive credit, and prepare for renting or buying, especially if you're 50+ and tired of unstable housing. If this video helped you feel even a little more confident reading your report, hit like, subscribe, and drop the comment, Playbook, and I'll send you the link. And in the next episode, we're covering utilization, one of the biggest score movers. Before we close, remember, this is educational only. It's not legal, tax, or financial advice, and I can't promise results. But I can teach you the rules. See you in episode 2. Your comeback starts now.